Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Alright, in today's video we'll be talking about how to properly upload videos on YouTube and get views consistently. Alright, now I've seen a lot of videos on the internet, on YouTube, saying that you just have to unlist or private your videos before publishing it. That will make you get views. Alright, video I'm going to prove to you that it's not the only thing you need to do uploading your video. Alright, now let me show you my channel. As you can see that these last 4 videos, these last 4 videos are a test of what I'm about to show you right now. Alright, I tested this from what I'm about to show you right now. Now, apart from these 4, the rest other videos, you notice I got 60, I got 51, 9 views, 70, 78. Alright, you see 24, you see 90, you see 28. Alright, it's just as if like when you post a video, you just need views comes by luck, or like this other 2. Alright, the moment I post the video, as you can see, this video were posted in the space of 4 days. Alright, and in the space of that 4 days I was able to get 8 views. So I'm going to be showing you guys what you need to do to actually get views. Alright, now we are uploading video right now. Okay, so what we want to do is we'll click on the upload button. Alright, and then click on upload. Alright, now the number one thing you want to do is that your video file must be named. Alright, make sure you name your video file. Alright, don't upload a video to YouTube looking like this. Don't upload a video looking like this. What you want to do is to make sure you name your video before coming to upload the video. That will make YouTube to know that your video actually has something. All right, your video actually has a purpose. All right, just like this. Now you see, as you can see, if you look at this place, all right, my video is already if the file name of my video is already Pi Network how to adjust lockup. All right, now the moment you do this, all right, what you have to do next is to put in the description of the video. All right, now let me get my description. All right, now this is my description. All right, now I want to pick a title that I want to use for this video. I can as well just leave that title as from the file name. The file name, you can see the file name was automatically used as the title of the video. All right, cool. But I can as well just change the title. Maybe I might put something like how to adjust Pi. All right, Pi Network lockup duration and stop. That one is one. Then so I can just use this one. All right, it's still the same. I can just cut out this one. So that is it. So this description, all right, make sure that your description is something that attract people to want to watch the video. All right, as you can see where my description started from, it say Pi Network coin finally launched after this. No, that's not what I want it to be showing. All right, that's not what I want to see from the beginning of the video. Okay, so I want to be seeing in this video I will show you how to adjust. All right, this is what I want to be seeing in the beginning of my description. So I'll copy from here to cut it out, and I'll bring it up. I want to bring it up. I want it to be like that's the first thing viewers will see on my video, so that you keep them to click the video. All right. And then another thing is the hashtag. Make sure your hashtag are things that are related to your video properly. Okay, that are related to your properly. Although these ones are not mainly things that will help you get views though, but the very first one is what I've just shown you. Okay, make sure that the video file is carrying name. All right, don't upload videos that is carrying all those numbers and the letters, and just so long numbers and letters code. Don't upload your video. The moment you have done editing your video, all right, make sure you name your video file, all right, to the title of the video. Even if it's not exactly the title of the video, make sure it's related, so that when you upload it, all right, because after uploading it, we are going to unlist it for a while. All right, you are just going to unlist it. Then it is in the process of the unlisting we'll come back to complete the editing, the uploading of the video. Sorry guys, I need to properly arrange it, because this is, even though this is practical, all right, it is a personal video that I want to upload. Okay, so let me properly arrange this, so that I don't have to delete the videos. I don't know if you understand me. So I don't need to delete the video that I've uploaded. So please bear with me. Okay, here I want to upload the link of my Telegram channel. Okay, this is my YouTube link. Copy, and I want to paste it here. Then I'll go up again and copy the Telegram link. Copied. Then I'll come to this place and keep and paste it. All right. So those are the two links that are, because it is important, because when you have a link on your description, it helps people to subscribe to our channel. Then the next one is join our TG community. Okay, so this is conclusion. You don't have to put it there that it's conclusion. Okay, it's just thank and appreciation. Yeah, the disclaimer has to be there. Disclaimer, yeah, it has to be there. I'll remove this particular disclaimer here. Then I'll use this one that is there. Okay, all right. Now, before I do anything further, let me first of all upload the custom thumbnail. All right, I'll click on that. Yeah, this is the. It is also important that your thumbnail should also carry a name. All right, you should also carry your thumbnail file, the file name. The picture should also carry a name. All right, please ignore the noise. Please. Should also carry a name. All these are optimization for your videos to gain views fast and easy. Okay, so for now we just want to indicate that this video is not For now, we want to indicate that this video is not for kids. All right, and then click on next, and then click on next, and then click on next, and then on list. Put it on private and just save it, or put it on list. All right, I prefer on list. Though. So you just click on save. You just click on save. You just click on save. All right, now you can easily share this link to anyone for now. All right, but they are only going to be able to watch the video because the link is with them. Okay, now what they happen after this is, after a while you come back to come and re-edit the video, the uploading of the video. All right, now what I want to do is come to my, as you can see, it's showing unlisted here. All right, so and it say made for kids. Actually, it's not made for kids. That was a mistake. So we'll edit that now. Okay, so we'll click on the title, the name of the video. All right, it will take us to the whole process of uploading the video all over again. So the things we were unable to put before, we begin to add them, like the changing it to not made for kids. All right, going to show more. All right, under the show more, say put this one to no. All right, then allow auto chapter. Okay, correct. Allow auto place, correct. Automatic concept, correct. Then tags. All right, on the tags I have tags under the description, so I just have to copy these ones and use them for what I want to use them for. All right, I just copy these tags and use these ones. Sorry, all right, that's not what I wanted to do. So I will just copy and come to the hashtag, the tags. I'll just place them. All right, now sometimes the tags you get from, especially, you can see that I copied this from ChatGPT. All right, you can just manually add some tags by yourself, or I prefer you signing up to vidIQ. vidIQ will help you in this area perfectly well. All right, now I have not signed up to vidIQ yet. That's why I'm manually doing all this. All right, okay, so let's just assume all these are perfectly okay. All right, but try as much as possible to add things that are very much related to your video. All right, so all right, now whether YouTube standard YouTube license, I prefer you use that. But if you use Creative Common license, it will still be good, because in process of people trying to use your video to do whatever they want to do with it, you will still be getting views as well. All right, then allow video and audio remix. Yes, I allow that. Then this video is about what under what category? Well, it's about how and style. I'm actually teaching you guys something. All right, so then turn comment on, moderation, basic, and then you can also sort by top. All right, so all these are okay. So what we want to do from here, all right, is to save. Okay, we need to save it. So we have successfully saved the video. All right, save the settings of the video. Now if we want to now turn this video to publish or schedule this video, all we need to do, we need to click on we need to click here to click the visibility to either unlist or do this thing. Every other thing you can also do here by adding caption and adding a sub title and the rest. You can do that there. All right, but for now I want to show you guys, if you want to turn the video public, you just need to click this place and either put it on private, put it public, or just schedule. All right, now but this I want to schedule this one for tomorrow, February 21, by 12 p.m 12 a.m 12 a.m 12 a.m 12 a.m. Okay, let me just leave it for as that. Done. All right, now we have scheduled the video. Now you can see you can add subtitle, you can add end screen, and you can add card. All right, now for us to add the end screen, we just need to do some few things, but for now I don't add end screen to my videos for now, but I'll be showing you guys how to actually do that perfectly. All right, that way give you the best, all right, and getting views and getting subscribers, helping your channel to grow better. Okay, so that is it for this video. Please, if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to this channel, turn on the notification bell to always get updated whenever we upload videos. All right, now the takeaway in this video is that, one, your video file, make sure you name it. All right, make sure you name your video file. All right, that is one. And two, when you are uploading your video, don't publish it immediately. First of all, unlist the video. All right, after unlisting the video for a while, all right, then you can go back to go and edit the uploading of the video. All right, when you unlist, make sure your unlisting take a little while, right? Like, let's say if you can make it 24 hours, if you can wait between 24 hours before after unlisting, before you go and update the video and then publish or schedule the video, it will be very, very nice. Okay, it will be very, very nice. What happens is that your YouTube will take time to study your video. In the process of studying your video, they will begin to look for your viewers. All right, so that when the video eventually come live, YouTube already know the people that they are going to be publishing your video to, so that you get more viewers. All right, if you just upload videos straight away like that, the algorithm do not know what the video is all about, and they don't know where they begin to publish video randomly to different people, and it will be difficult for you to get viewers, because people who are not interested in the particular video topic you are doing a video about will not click your video no matter what. All right, but when the video is actually coming to people who have interest about things that are similar to that, they would want to click or watch the video. All right, so that's the irony about these tactics. All right, so please make sure you do this and do it right. All right, see you in the next video, guys. Bye.